Proof load testing is an essential part of any inspection, repair, and maintenance program for cranes. In the next segment, we will show you the proper procedures for bag staging and rigging on site using multiple bags. First, stage the bags on the ground under the equipment being tested, ensuring there are no sharp objects that may puncture the bag skin during rigging. Next, fit any ancillary rigging equipment between the bags and the crane hook. In this case, 2 master links and accompanying shackles are fitted to ensure safe and proper lifting. Lift the bags until clear of the ground. Load weight is identified either by the use of a portable load cell with weight indicator, or in this case, a flow track meter measuring the amount of water at 8.34 pounds per gallon. This is then added to the weight of the bags and ancillary rigging equipment for the total proof load. Always ensure that the dump trunks and filling hoses are rigged facing on the outside of the bags so they are not pinched or trapped during filling. Note that there is very minimum floor loading during the staging process. This is a key advantage to using bags over traditional solid weights, especially in plants where the floor or deck is not designed to handle the weight of the testing equipment and require additional bracing in order to stage solid weights. Connect filling hose on bag to water supply. Proceed to fill until the required weight is achieved to perform the testing. It is important to note that with the bags you can achieve multiple test loads on a single rig by simply stopping at various stages of weight prior to achieving the maximum proof load. Once the full load is achieved, turn over the load to the certifier to perform the function test. Upon the completion of the testing stage, prepare to dump the load by straightening all the dump lines for clear and unobstructed flow of water. Turn the PVC ball valve to open position to release the water from the bags. Dump trunk extensions may be fitted to enable dumping away from the test area or return the water to its source. This is especially useful for tests being carried out inside industrial plants or any confined testing spaces. After the bags are emptied, the demobilization process begins. Lower the bags on the floor and de-rig them from the crane hook, ensuring once again that there are no sharp objects that may puncture the bag skin. De-rig all ancillary rigging equipment off the bags and prepare for stowage to transport bag back to the shop. You may use the auxiliary crane to load the empty bags onto your trailer or freight container for transit back to water weights. This concludes the proper procedure for bag staging and rigging on site using multiple bags.